Hey guys, want to speak Chinese like a pro in just 30 days? Yeah, you heard me right, 30 days. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So grab your pen and notebook and let's get started. First things first, you need a plan. Fluency doesn't happen overnight, but if you keep at it, you'll see huge progress. Set goals that you can actually reach, like try to learn 20 new words a day, or maybe focus on getting one tone or pronunciation perfect each week. Okay, so let's talk about how to say the words in those tricky tones. Chinese is a tonal language, which means how you say a word changes what it means. For example, ma means mother and ma means horse. See? Totally different. You gotta get these tones right from the beginning. Don't worry, I got some easy tricks to help you. Try this with me. For the first tone, flat tone, your voice stays the same. For the second tone, rising, your voice goes up like you're asking a question. Practice with me now. Ma, flat, ma, rising. Get it? Perfect! Learning lots of words is super important. You need to know a bunch of words that you'll use every day. Start with the easy stuff. Greetings, common phrases, and important nouns. Flashcards are a good way to start. I recommend looking at 20, 30 words every day. And don't just memorize them. Use them in sentences so you really learn them. Pro tip, use these words when you're talking to people. If you're learning Xiexi for thank you, try to use it every chance you get. Soon, it'll be easy peasy. Here's the secret. Surround yourself with Chinese as much as you can. Listen to Chinese music, watch Chinese TV shows, or even change your phone's language to Chinese. The more Chinese you hear and see, the faster you'll learn it. And don't forget, practice speaking every single day. Find someone to talk to or use apps like HelloTalk to chat with native speakers. The best way to get better at speaking is to actually speak. Don't worry about being perfect. Chinese can be tough, but what matters most is that you keep going. Even if you make mistakes, don't stop. Trust me, the more you practice, the better you'll get. Remember, the goal isn't to be perfect, it's to keep at it. Technology is your best friend here. Apps like Duolingo, Pleco, and Anki can help you practice new words, get translations, and even perfect your pronunciation. Set daily reminders on these apps so you don't forget to practice. Learning should be fun. Watch Chinese comedies, read Chinese comics, or play language games. The more you enjoy it, the easier it will be to stick with it. Make learning a part of your everyday life. There you have it. Follow these steps, keep at it, and in just 30 days, you'll be on your way to speaking Chinese like a native. The key is to take it one step at a time, have fun, and never give up. Ready to start learning Chinese? Hit that subscribe button, follow Fun Chinese for more tips, and let's do this together.